India mi ka channel Banwan Rak Kubor Baman Lagasmi.
Of the Cookie Student Organization, I'm representing my people here in Shillong to address the negligence or the ignorance of the central government towards the suffering and the killing of innocent lives in Manipur. The primary objective of any government is to protect the rights of the people, to serve the people. But now we have seen that the central government has not taken any positive steps to neutralize or control the situation out there in Manipur. We all know the conflict starts in May 3rd, 6 months have been passed. And even right now also many people, youngsters, young kids, all men, women have been spending a very, very sad life, so to say. There are thousands of people who have been displaced and they are right now confined in concentrated camps. More than 200 villages have been burned, uprooted, and more than 200 people have been killed. And thousands of students have been left astray. They are dropped out from school or colleges because of the non-functioning of the institution. So, even the situation has been up to the peak level, but the central government has remained a meek spectator. They are busy with certain things. They are busy with outside the state, like Israel has been in conflict with Palestine. They are concerned with all those external things, not concerning the situation out there in Manipur. So we are so shocked because of the negligence or because of the ignorance of the central government for not catering the demands made by the citizens of the people living in Manipur. We want peace, but to let peace prevail, there are several situations that has to be met. There's so many complex situations happening in Manipur that disallows peace to prevail in Manipur, which I would like all of you to do a research on how peace cannot be brought into Manipur. All these things comes up, and all these things because of the underlying situation that happens in Manipur, peace is not prevailing in Manipur. So for all this underlying or hidden agenda, when it is exposed or when it is solved, we hope that peace will be prevail in Manipur. As the previous speaker have already mentioned, if the central government is very serious or concerned about this conflict, they can control or they can neutralize within a day or also. This shows that they are not concerned about the life of the people in Manipur. This clearly concludes that they just think the people of Northeast as second citizen. So